Discover Portugal by train, a cultural journey through time. Imagine gliding past lush vineyards, rolling hills, and coastal cliffs while traveling through one of Europe's most captivating countries. Portugal's trains offer a window to its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. This journey is more than transportation. It's an immersive experience of discovery. Train travel in Portugal is not only scenic, but also convenient and affordable. From modern cities to quaint, historic towns, the railway connects it all. Let's dive into this incredible adventure, exploring iconic Portuguese landmarks, heritage, and hidden treasures, all from the comfort of a train seat. The journey starts in Portugal's vibrant capital, Lisbon, where history meets modernity. Hop on the train and explore charming neighborhoods like Alfama, with its cobblestone streets and soulful fado music, or visit the majestic Jerónimos Monastery in Belém. Lisbon is steeped in history, but its energy is undeniably current. Don't forget to taste pastéis de nata, the famous custard tarts born here. With efficient train connections, Lisbon is the perfect launchpad for your cultural adventure. Just 40 minutes from Lisbon lies Sintra, a magical town of colorful palaces and misty forests. Disembark the train and explore the enchanting Pena Palace, a stunning mix of architectural styles perched high in the hills. Sintra's magic doesn't end with its palaces. The Moorish castle offers breathtaking views, while Quinta de Regaleira tempts visitors with secret gardens and mystical symbols. Sintra's train accessibility and ethereal beauty make it a must-visit stop. Head north to Porto, the city that gave Portugal its name, where tradition and artistry come alive. A train ride along the Douro River Valley provides stunning views, setting the tone for your arrival in this UNESCO World Heritage City. Wander through Porto's Ribeira district, a riverside haven of colorful houses and lively cafes. Don't forget to visit the Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores, before enjoying a glass of the city's signature port wine. A short train journey from Porto takes you deep into the Douro Valley, famed for its terraced vineyards and serene landscapes. This region is the birthplace of port wine, and the train offers a front-row seat to its beauty. Step off the train and tour a local vineyard for a tasting experience. The Douro rail line hugs the river, offering postcard-perfect views of the countryside. Few journeys are as romantic and culturally enriching as this. Midway between Porto and Lisbon lies Coimbra, a historic city that pulses with academic life. The train will bring you to this former Portuguese capital, home to one of Europe's oldest universities, adorned with Baroque architecture. Coimbra's library, Biblioteca Joanina, is a dazzling cultural treasure. Stroll through the city's medieval streets, where the echoes of fado music remind you of its deep-rooted heritage. Coimbra captivates with its intellectual and artistic ambience. Travel south on the train to Faro, the gateway to the Algarve, Portugal's sun-drenched southern region. This charming city is steeped in maritime history, evident in its bustling harbour and ancient walls. From Faro, trains take you along the Algarve's golden coastline. Stop at Albufeira or Lagos for pristine beaches, dramatic sea cliffs, and charming town squares. The Algarve offers a perfect blend of relaxation, culture, and adventure. Hop on a regional train to Évora, in the heart of the Alentejo region. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Évora is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, from the Roman Temple to the macabre Chapel of Bones. Évora's charm lies in its slower pace and historic depth. Take a leisurely walk through its narrow streets, sample local wines, and savor the regional cuisine. This train journey captures the soul of Portugal's rural past. Portugal's rail network is easy to navigate, with options ranging from high-speed to regional trains. Invest in a rail pass for flexible travel and save on tickets. Check schedules ahead of time to make the most of your journey. Pack light and bring a camera to capture every view from your train window. Portuguese trains are often punctual and comfortable, making them the ideal way to connect with the country's culture and landscapes. Traveling Portugal by train is more than reaching spectacular destinations. It's about embracing the journey. Each station leads you to a new cultural experience, a profound historical tale, or a breathtaking view. Absorb the changing landscapes, from rustic villages to modern cityscapes. The beauty of rail travel lies in its invitation to slow down and truly live in the moment. Ready to explore Portugal's vibrant culture, fascinating history, and awe-inspiring scenery, all by train? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and immerse yourself in an adventure where every step of the journey feels unforgettable. Don't just dream about it, let this video inspire your next cultural escape. Portugal's timeless magic is calling. Have you heard the train whistle yet? It's time to answer it. Globe Train,